Hello everyone. In my previous videos, I have explained the job profile of assistant executive engineer and assistant engineer that are conducted by public service commissions in different states, and as well as I have also discussed about the model of the examination pattern and various the basic subjects like what is the syllabus and the level of difficulty and what to study, and I've also suggested few books for the reference, and there are many websites which are available. You can also go through them. And also I have in my previous and also I have explained, I have discussed about the various job opportunities, that is government job opportunities for civil engineers, and in this video I am exclusively making this video. I am going to make one or two videos in which I am going to tell you there are more than about as I said earlier, there are about 250 to 260 public sector undertakings in this country, and out of which there are more than 100 public sector undertaking companies which recruit engineers, that is especially civil engineers. So I try to I have tried to collect the information from many sources, and at one place I am trying to give the maximum information. Maybe I could have missed out a few companies or a few information, so I tried my best to give you the best information. Okay, so these are the public sector undertakings which which recruit engineers exclusively for civil engineers. Exclusively, I mean to say mostly civil engineers. They recruit mostly civil engineers. Okay, first one is CIL, Coal India Limited. These are the coal. Basically, these are refineries, or you can say coal extraction companies. There are many coal extraction companies that are formed by the government of India from time to time based on the necessity, especially in 1950s, 60s, and 70s, where public sector undertakings were formed, especially to what should I say to get the inclusive development. Like these are mostly located near the corners, interior locations of India, and they wanted to bring a change. They want to bring a development. They want to provide the employment to the interior corners, like interior places of India. So this is one of the reason for establishment of PSUs. So coming to this, let us go from by sector. So I'll try to give you. First one is Coal India Limited. This is basically mostly coal based companies where the coal mines are like where the coal is extracted from mines, where the civil engineers are necessary for providing many um, infrastructure facilities at the mines. So first one is Coal India Limited. Then you have Neyveli Lignite Corporation Limited, NLC. Then you have like Central Coal Fields. Then you have sorry sorry for the interruption. Well, try. Then you have Eastern Coalfields. Then you have Southeastern Coalfields. These are the various. You can directly go and go to the websites. Then you will find out the more information. Then there will be some. You will have the careers. You have the careers in option in their website. Then you can go to just click on the careers. Then if there is any notification, if there is a vacancy, you will be known. You will be knowing that. So, and also apart from that, you have the oil extraction companies or oil refineries companies such as IOCL, and you have ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. Then you have BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Then you have HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Then you have Chennai Refinery Petroleum Limited Corporation Limited. Then you have Mangalore Refinery Limited, and so there are many refinery companies, and a few of these companies, they recruit engineers based on the gate score. So I forgot to say that. So see, the recruitment of PSUs is based on basically on two things. One is the two modes. One is based on your gate score. So and another is they conduct their own examination, and they conduct their interviews, and they recruit the engineers. So this way the recruitment is done in by PSUs. Okay. So, and yes, and these are the oil refinery companies, especially IOCL, ONGC, BPCL. Then you have HPCL. Then you have Mangalore refineries. Then you have like I said, Chennai Petroleum Company. So apart from that, you have Nalco, National Aluminium Company Limited. Then you have SAIL. These are steel based companies, steel makers. They basically SAIL, Steel Authority India Limited. Then you have NMDC, that is Mineral Development Corporation. Then you have Oil India Limited. Then you have uh, Central Coalfields, like I said before. Then you have, so there are many, then there are many other companies like that. And then there are power generation companies, and the companies which are related to power, like NTPC. Then you have power grid. Then you have rural electrification. Then you have hydropower related, that is NHPC, National Hydropower Corporation Limited. Then you have Sutlej Vidyut Nigam Limited, SVJNL. Then you have Damodar Valley Corporation. And almost every national, every project that are of national importance, or they will be having their own engineering team. And so they will be recruiting engineers. Then you have mines related. So I'll just read it out. So similarly, there are cement based companies like CCI, Cement Corporation of India. Then you have mineral exploration. Then there are few fertilizer related companies. Then you have shipbuilding companies. So then you have like industries and machinery made, like BHEL. You have ECIL, BEL, and BEML, Bharat Motors Limited. So there are many, and especially the government is also into under consultancies like EIL, Engineers India Limited. Then you have NDPC, National Development Project Company. Then you have PDL, Projects and Development India Limited. And then you have rights. Then you have there are few companies like IRCON, etc., which are related to railways, and so on and so forth. I will just read out the name of the companies in the next video. Thank you.